Let's have some fun and make these Christmas decorations out of this colorful dough. We need to choose a color to make our number. It's orange color. Now we need our rolling pin to roll our dough. This is our cutter. Let's place it into the dough and press it really well. It's number 1. We have our round shape here, and I place number 1 on it, and 1 dot, and this little rectangle so that it looks like Christmas decoration. Which color should we choose for our next number? It's blue. Let's roll our dough really flat. Let's take the cutter and press it really well. It's number 2. Let's place number 2 on this yellow circle. 1, 2 dots. Which color is going to be next? Let's pick this one. It's yellow. Let's place our dough here to flatten it with our rolling pin. Now the cutter and press. And our shape is ready. It's number 3. Let's place it here. 1, 2, 3 dots. Should we choose this color? Yes. It's green. In order to cut our shape, we need to roll our dough. Now the cutter and press. It's number 4. Number 4 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we pick this color? Yes. Let's take this color. It's red. Now let's take our rolling pin and roll our dough. Our cutter with a number on it. Pressing it. Number 5. Number 5 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rectangle. Which color is next? This one. It's light blue. Let's roll it. Take our cutter. Press, press, press. It's number 6. Number 6 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take this color. It's purple. We need to roll our dough. Press our cutter. It's number 7. Let's place it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our next color is this one. It's pink. Let's roll it really flat for our last cutter shape. It's number 8. Our number goes here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for helping me to make these Christmas decorations out of Play-Doh.